Yup, it's your boy Lando, Mr. S550, and I'm back with another banger. Y'all already know the vibe. And guess who I got with me?
Yeah.
The whole gang. Grrr, bow!
He went inside.
On this one, y'all already know how I get down. I'm gonna change my sway bar links on the car. Maybe I screwed up. And I'm probably gonna end up doing my rear brakes as well. So y'all niggas stay tuned and follow the lituation. Let's go. Yeah, there go the gang. So I gotta do it again. Your boy, Mr. S550 with another banger. Y'all just stay tuned for the rest.
Did it capture it? There you go.
Yeah, y'all. This is not easy work, y'all know what I'm saying? So I got the bolts loose. Got the car jacked up. Y'all already know safety first. We don't want nothing dropping on us and shit. You understand what I'm saying? But peep game. I already got the bolts loose. I just gotta hurry up and, you feel me, hit me with the last touch to get more loose type shit. Bam. We don't work slow around here either. We know exactly what we doing. Gang gang. Bam, look at that. Already on 2. Bam. That's 3. Bam. Bam. We're gonna take that out. I'm gonna take this fully out.
Okay.
And what they taught me to do is bring it right here. And you can put it under a car. Just in case something goes wrong and the car happens to fall, even though jacks is on, the tire will make sure the car doesn't hit the floor. You dig? You can turn it off. You gotta get my face too. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the wheel, or I can show y'all the defective sway bar link. We'll turn the other way real quick. So this is the defective sway bar link. Get a close up for y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Nastiness. Let me get the one on the top. See? So they almost done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do them a favor and pipe them back up. Let me show y'all the new ones. Brand spanking new. All the way out. Y'all know the vibe. We ain't taking no shortcuts. You dig?
Wait till the crew is going. Cool.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna get back to the project. First thing we need is 18 millimeter wrench, and just go ahead and start attacking that bolt. You dig? Like that here. I already had it a little loose, so I'm gonna set that right there. See how that's already out, and it has an additional bolt right there. So the trick on this one, you actually gonna have to get the drill bit just to make the job a little better. Let me see if we can find the drill bit, Evan. There you go, right there. See, next to the black one. tie rod, like the one Gianni got earlier. The black one, the black stick right there. Right there, the black stick, the black. You see the black right there? Yep, bring that whole thing. Bring the one that fell too. Yep, yep. Thank you, assistant. All right, so for the know on the bottom, we are going to have to, give me a second. Let me see how I'm gonna get in here. This is definitely a little tight, which I see that. So, in back of the nut, there's what's that? 8mm hex bit that you will need to use just to hold the back of that bolt like this here. I mean, like this here. Say what? You just said, well, I'm not combing my necks.
Gang, gang.
What he said. Throw him up.
Gang,
Yeah, man. As y'all can see, I got the bolts off the top. As y'all can also see, we got the bolt on the bottom. But it's still stuck in place. Like I ain't never do nothing. So, let me show y'all how to finesse this out. Yeah, y'all finally got it installed. And it wasn't no hold up. But I ain't no quitter. Huh? I got the one on the top all the way screwed and torqued in. About to move to. Yeah, y'all. Man, it's right on time, man. We almost got rained on and shit. Which you already know. One monkey don't stop no show. We was too fast for the rain to catch us. But y'all already know, man, if it do stop, I'm gonna go head on and finish the back brakes, and we good money.
gang, gang.
Gang. Sheesh. That shit was tough. It was not an easy job. But y'all already know, we don't quit. We just keep going. Show y'all the old busted up sway bar. Look at this thing. Here goes the new one. That's how it's supposed to look. You dig? Of course, I still gotta screw them down, both of them, and it'll be all right. Y'all know the mother uffin vibe.